Meet Stanley, Iowa's finest typewriter salesman. He has been in the business for 15 years and shows no sign of stopping.
Yeah, my name's Jimmy Stan. I've been a typewriter salesman for years.
Hi, sir. Would you like to buy a typewriter?
Why am I in the typewriter business? Ever since my dad taught me as a little kid about typewriters. I think I was about like 12 years old, 16. One of those. I've just had a passion for them, and ever since his death, it just feels like each click of the keys is him talking through the typewriter.
Every major business has a business structure. My business structure is the 4 tips, you know? Step 1, keep at it. Come on. Get out! Tip number 2, make eye contact. You want them to fear you and intimidate them. Can I help you? Would you like to buy some typewriters? Let yourself in to their home. Again, it shows empowerment, like you want them to buy whatever you're selling. I'm gonna come in. No, that's not. Shoes off, probably. I know a lot of houses are picky about that, you know? Ooh, nice place. Is that a dog or a rat? Doesn't matter.
Alright, you should probably leave.
I'm just here to sell you some typewriters, man.
I don't want any typewriters.
Dude,
Alright?
typewriters are the future. If you do not buy a typewriter, you don't want to be stuck in the past now. Your kids be yelling at you, oh, Dad, you're so cool, you know? Do you want your kids doing that?
I have something like 10
Where's
times
your
better
food?
than a typewriter.
Where is your food, sir? Be a good... Shut up! The last one. Don't take no for an answer. Don't let them get away without your product. All right, I'll give you some time to think about it, but you will want to get one. There's no doubt about it. I'm going to make you get one if it means I have to harm you. So, I'll let you think about it. Did you decide?
No, I don't want one.
Buy the freaking typewriter! I will waterboard you with the apple cider! Business has been rough these past couple of years. I really believe that the typewriters will become the future again, and people will want to buy them just because, well, see, people are already buying mechanical keyboards. What's the difference between that and a typewriter?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Would you like to buy a typewriter?
No.
What do you mean?
No. I don't need one.
I'm out here in the freezing cold, getting stuck in snow and tripping on your stairs. You don't give me the decency to buy
No.
my typewriter.
I already have one. I'm sorry.
Next house. I just don't get it. Why doesn't anyone want to buy a typewriter?
Hey, sir, aren't you the one selling typewriters?
What about it?
I'd like to buy one of your typewriters.